Yeah. Oh, 11:30, yes, to reach there within 5 minutes. Honorable Member, Honorable Governor.
I request Honorable Governor to address the House.
Honorable Speaker and honorable members of the Goa Legislative Assembly, it gives me immense pleasure and honor to address this august House on the onset of New Year. I take this opportunity to convey my heartiest near New Year greetings to each one of you and extend a warm welcome to all the members of the August House on my first address during the 30th session of Goa Legislative Assembly. I am happy to say that we have entered the 60th year, Diamond Jubilee of Goa's liberation, and were delighted by the presence of Honorable Ramnath Kovindji, the first ever occasion that Honorable President of India participated in the celebration of Goa's Liberation Day. During the inaugural speech, the Honorable President of India lauded the Uniform Civil Code in force in the state and termed it as a matter of pride. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet colleagues, State Executive Committee, led by the Chief Secretary, all frontline COVID warriors, officers and officials who successfully controlled the spread of COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Though the state has suffered a lot in terms of socio-economic and infrastructure development, taking a backseat in the COVID times, but due to systematic planning, regular monitoring, and strenuous corrective measures by the state administration, the state is now gaining momentum in its activities from micro to macro level and is nearing complete normalcy. The Honorable Prime Minister has announced Atmanirbhar Bharat Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana in the country, which has extended hand-holding support to all the states for the survival of various sections of people of the society with unity and integrity. Bharat, Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. The COVID-19 pandemic is an eye-opener which has taught an important learning to the people and also the state be self-reliant. My government is very keen to continue with the efforts to place the state on faster growth track and ensure inclusive growth and sustainable development of all concerned with active support and cooperation of all stakeholders. In keeping with the call of our Honorable Prime Minister of ensuring Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, I am confident that together we can make it possible. Let us rededicate ourselves to the cause of nation building. Let us synergize our efforts to make the state of Goa golden state. Om Asto Ma Sadgamay Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay Mrityur Ma Amritam Gamay Om Shanti Shanti Dev Bare Karun Jai Hind. The speech may be taken for read because I have some trouble, so that's why it may be taken as read. Okay.
Secretary, laying a copy of the address of the Governor.
Sir, I lay a copy of the address by the Honorable Governor on the table of the House.
I am to inform the House that the Governor's address laid on the table is deemed as the entire address as delivered by the Honorable Governor to the House. Obituary references: former speakers, deputy speakers, legislators. Late Sri Anand Vishnu Sheth, former Speaker of the Sixth Legislative Assembly of the State of Goa. Late Sri Simon D'Souza, former Deputy Speaker of the First Legislative Assembly of the State of Goa. Late Sri Baban Naik, former Legislator of Third Legislative Assembly of Goa, Daman and Diu, from Panjim constituency. Distinguished personalities: late Sri Pranab Mukherjee, former President of India. Late Srimati Mridula Sinha, former Governor of Goa. Late Sri Motilal Vora, former Governor of Uttar Pradesh. Late Sri Jaswant Singh, Ramvilas Paswan, Raghuvanshi Prasad Singh, former Union Ministers. Late Sri Tarun Gogoi, former Chief Minister of Assam. Late Sri Tulsidas Madkarnekar and Chandrakant Gowde, icons of the cooperative sector. Late Sri Keshavananda Bharati, Revered Sir and Sham Gaokar, noted Dev Bodgeshwar Temple priest and social worker. Late Sri Manohar Sulakar, noted educationist. Late Sri Odumbar Shinkre and Gurnath Karekar, veteran freedom fighters. Late Sri Aisha De Sukira, noted business icon. Late former Vice Admiral Sri Melville Raymond Shukar, former Vice Admiral of Naval Staff and former Director General of the Indian Coastal Guard. Late Dr. Mrs. V. Shanta, renowned oncologist. Late Sri Larry King, broadcasting legend. The personalities from the film theatres: late Sri Pandit Jasraj, Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam, Pandit T.N. Krishnan, Pandit Dinkar Panishikar, Pandit Rahat Indori, and Ustad Ghulam Mustafa Khan, veteran music legends. Late Sri Sean Connery, Soumitra Chatterjee, Ravi Patawardhan, and Mrs. Ashrata Wabgaonkar, veteran film legends. Late Mrs. Banu Athaiya and late Sri Satyapal, renowned fashions custom designers. Late Sri Dadu Mandrekar, Datta Naik, Dr. Tanaji Hankar, and Madhav Govind Vaidya, renowned literature and social reformers. Late Sri Diego Maradona, football legend. Late Sri Peter Vaz, Goa's football stalwart and founder of Sporting Club of Goa. Late Sri Madhavin Solanki, senior Congress leader, former Chief Minister of Gujarat and former External Affairs Minister of India. Late Sri Romuald D'Souza, acclaimed theatrist and veteran actor known for his significant contribution in films such as Bhuyaratlo Manish and Bonglat. Late Advocate Sri Pandurang Nagvekar, former President of Gomantak Maratha Academy. Late Professor Sri Nityananda Naik, noted literature and Kokani activist. Late Sri Ratnakar Matkari, film and theatre legend. Late Sri Sharad Zambekar, music legend. Late Sri P.G. Hankar, noted Gaon, former Commissioner of Bangalore City of Police and former DGP. The unfortunate COVID victims who succumbed to COVID infections in Goa. Secretary, sorry. My request just to stand and give 1 minute silence to all these people. Last day परत त्यांना नाव घेऊया आता घेऊ. Last day परत ऑब्जेक्ट रेफरन्स आला. Last day घेऊया का आता घेऊया? हा? Last day घेऊ का म्हणता? Okay. Late Sri Ahmad Patel, member of Rajya Sabha. 1 minute silence, please. Thank you. Secretary, assent to this.
Sir, I report assent of the governor to the bills shown in today's list of business.
Honorable Chief Minister.
Sir, I rise to present the first report of 2021 Business Advisory Committee.
सर बिझनेस एडवायझरीच्या एक डिमांड केल्लो की फूल फ्लॅश सेशन जावचें फूल फ्लॅश सेशन जावचें आनी आमचो सदांच डिमांड आशिल्लो की डिसेंबराक घेवचें त्या वेळाचेर ते डिसेंबराकय जालें ना सेशन गेल्ल्या वर्सा फक्त 7 दीस सेशन जालां आनी हें सेशन कमीत कमी 20 दिसाचें घेवपाचें कारण डिस्कस करपाक चान्सच ना काय हें सेशन आतां पयर 3 दिसांचें एक्चुअली आज 26 तारखेक हॉलिडे पडटा 25 तारखेक आजचो दीस कांय ना 27, 28, 29 3च दीस हें मेळटा इतले इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यूज आसा आज गोंयांत प्रजेच्या मुखार लोकांच्या मुखार लोक म्हणटा तुमी कांय आवाज काडना म्हणजे रेज करपाक सुद्दां मेळपाक डिफिकल्ट जाता आतां कॉलिंग एटेन्शना विथ लॉट्स ऑफ डिफिकल्टी द्यायचं 3 ठरलीं 3 कॉलिंग एटेन्शना पर डे कितले रेज करतले पळय आमच्या कलिगान एकल्यानच दिल्या 14 कॉलिंग एटेन्शना कॉलिंग एटेन्शन सुद्दां येवप कशें आनी आज गोंयांत ज्या पद्दतीचें हें आसा इश्यूज आसा ते इश्यूज रेज करप कशें आमी असेंब्ली भितर म्हाका दिसता तुमी कितें तरी हाजेर डिसिजन दिवपा जाय स्पीकर सर कितें तरी ना जाल्यार कशें जावपाचें सेशन आतां पळय सगळे एक्टिविटीज स्टार्ट जाल्या सगळे एक्टिविटीज जनरलायज सायज
हें ना गोंय सगळें पेटलां कोळशा खातीर तुजी एक उतर ना म्हळ्यार कितें आमी एक्चुअली राविल्ले हांगा बोवाळ करपाक अशें करून दाखोवपाक तुमकां
विजय बाब
सेफ गोवा म्हणून तुमी पयलीं खंयचेच बिझनेस कंडक्ट करचे पयलीं कोलाचेर डिस्कशन जावन दी
कोल म्हणटा तो बंद जावपा जायना तें पयलें कर
हे मेन फ्युचर जनरेशन म्हणटा साल्वार करतले जाल्यार आज आमकां कोळसो नाका
आमकां दिशिल्लें की गव्हर्नराच्या स्पिचींत खंय तरी कितें तरी मेन्शन आसतलें की हाजे मुखार
एक उतर ना कोलाचेर हांव आसतालो आतां
3 दीस आमकां चान्स आसा उलोवपाक
ते बरें आहा अरे आज कसलेंच सेशन कांयच ना लोक मेले कोविडा खातीर कोला खातीर वास्को ताजे ओन तांच्या आमदारांनी सांगिल्लें आहा हें आनी तुमी डिस्कशनाकूच कॉल हाडना म्हळ्यार कितें पयलीं गव्हर्नराक शॉर्टकट मारूंक लायली तो इंग्लिशीन वाचतालो ताका कसलो प्रॉब्लेम जालो कळना म्हाका सगळे तुम्ही शॉर्टकटी मारतात कोविडाच्या नांवान तुम्ही लोकशाही हत्या करून उडयली हांगा हावजाचीच
कोलाचे सगळे एकठांय जावन एक रेझोल्युशन घेया
ओके नोटेड
आज आमकां आयला आनी जशें आमच्या ओपोजिशन लिडरान सांगलां की 14 ते 15 कॉलिंग एटेन्शनां हांवें स्वता दिल्या आनी त्या बिझनेसाचेर एकूय कॉलिंग एटेन्शन ना सभापती महाशय म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट तुमकां तें कॉलिंग एटेन्शन हाचेर ह्या बिझनेसाचेर कित्याक ना पयलींच आमी 5 कॉलिंग एटेन्शनां मागिल्लीं बिझनेस एडवायझरी कमिटी ती कट करून 3 केली
बाय चान्स मिस जाला न्ही यू कॅन पुट इट स्टील देर इज अ टाइम
नो वी हॅव ऑलरेडी गिवन वी हॅव ऑलरेडी सबमिटेड
स्टील देर आर 2 days न्ही
वेनसडेचो बिझनेस तुमी दिलो
स्टील देर आर 2 days
वेनसडेचो बिझनेसाक तें येवपाक जाय आशिल्लें
स्पीकर सर आमी बिझनेस एडवायझरी कमिटीक देर वॉज ए कन्सेन्सस दॅट एटलीस्ट 3 कॉलिंग एटेन्शन्स वील बी टेकन अप आमी 5 म्हणटाले चीफ मिनिस्टर 3 म्हणपा लागलो आनी ताजेर
उलोवपाचें कितें आमी
ताजेर कन्सेन्सन जालो
जे कितें थरला पळय इट विल बी मेंटेन
पण ते वेनसडेचो बिझनेस आसा तातूंत कॉलिंग एटेन्शन दाखयना
इट विल बी मेंटेन रिवायज काडटा नो प्रॉब्लेम इट विल मेंटेन
येवना ते पूण हाजेर येवकूच ना म्हजो प्रश्न असो की जेन्ना तुमी बिझनेस काडटा आनी जेन्ना ऑलरेडी कॉलिंग एटेन्शन दिल्या
स्पीकर सर
तेन्ना ही कित्याक ना
कोळशाचेर एक उतर कित्याक ना मेन म्हजो प्रश्न हा कोळशाचेर एक उतर कित्याक ना कोळसो लोकांक लागला न्ही सगळे गोंय पेटिल्ले आहा हे कोळशाच्या इश्यूचेर तुमचे गव्हर्नर एड्रेसान उत्तर ना कोळसो म्हणतो कित्याक कसली फकाणां जाल्ल्या ही
तू बुधवारा रेस कर हेच्या बद्दल
60वें वर्स जे गोंयचे लिबरेशनाचे
बुधवारा रेस
सेलिब्रेट करता कसले सेलिब्रेट करता
3
सालाजार परवडलो म्हणून जातले
एमएलए
प्रमोद सावंत न्ही म्हणून
रिवाइज करता बुलेटिन.
आयज मानादीक गव्हर्नर येयलो, 1 मिनिट उलयलो आनी फुजू म्हणजे गेलो. हांवें मानादीक गव्हर्नराक मुद्दम एक पेटिशन घातलेलें. गोंयांत कितले इश्यू आहा, 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स, कितले इश्यू आहा की स्पेशल सेशन सामन करचें म्हणून. गव्हर्नरान रिप्लाय देखून केलो ना म्हाका. खूब वायट दिसता. आनी आयज गव्हर्नर येयला, 1 मिनिट उलयला आनी गेलो.
स्पीकर सर, पॉयंट ऑफ ऑर्डर.
Speaker, sir.
गव्हर्नरान कितें केलां ताचेर म्हाका दिसता असेंब्ली डिस्कशन जावपाक शकना. गव्हर्नरान कित्याक असेंब्ली सेशन आनी हे ते सिनियर मेंबर्स आसात तांकां सगळें खबर आसा, ह्या हावजाचे रूल खबर आसा. त्या खातीर गव्हर्नरान कितें करप कितें ना ह्या हावजान तरी डिस्कस ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट.
I am only bringing to the notice of this because Speaker sir, today the people of Goa are watching us.
तो तरी जावंक शकना.
Speaker
People
sir,
of
we
Goa
don't represent
waiting
governor. We represent the
that
people
as
of Goa.
members of this house,
गव्हर्नराक आमी
we will
represent
raise
करना.
these
गव्हर्नर
issues.
आमकां मतां मानना.
and
गोंयकार
today
मतां
we have
मानतात.
no opportunity to raise these
दिल्लीवाले
issues.
सांगतात तुम्ही कोळसो हाडून घालता.
I feel we are making mockery of this house.
Noted.
What noted?
Mockery.
Mockery.
Move the motion.
Mockery of this house is noted.
Sir, I moved at this house is to agree with the first report 2021 of the Business Advisory Committee.
No agree. Only
Now I'll put the motion to the order of the House. Those in favor will say aye.
Aye.
Those in favor may say no. Ayes have it. Ayes have it. The motion is carried. Then this is a motion of thanks. Then Diglo.
So I beg to move the following motion of thanks to the Governor's address. That the members of the 7th Legislative Assembly of Goa, assembled in the 13th session, are deeply grateful to the Governor for the address which has been pleased to deliver to the House on the 25th January 2021.
Sopte and Soja to second the motion.
Second motion.
So the motion is before the House. As there is no business before the House is adjourned till Wednesday 27 January 2021 at 11:30 a.m.
स्पीकर सर LAQs आतापर्यंत अजून अपलोड जावना, रिप्लायज अपलोड जावना. स्पीकर सर रिप्लायज अजून अपलोड जावना.
Better recovered? Is at home only?